Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the subscribe button in Snapchat. So with this feature you can just increase your followings on Snapchat. Now without further delays, let's get into it. So to get the subscribe button you just have to create a public profile on Snapchat. So you just have to open Snapchat from here, and this is my account on Snapchat. So I will just go to my profile, and here you just have to make some settings. Okay, first of all you just have to go to this, and after that you have to edit this option. Here you have to select everyone so that everyone can contact you, and after that if your story option is selected on friends only, then you have to click on this everyone. Okay, so now it's done. Now just go back to your account and just scroll down, and here you can see we have got the option of create public profile. Just click here, and here you can simply create a public profile. Just click on this get started, click on this create, and from here you can go to your public profile. So your public profile is created, and if you want to edit this profile, then you can go here and you can just add a profile picture, and you can just write a bio here, and you can also add your location. Okay, and if you want to show your subscriber count, then you can do this also from these settings. Okay, and from here if I go to this preview profile, then here you can see I have got the option of subscribe. Okay, so that's how you can get the subscribe button in Snapchat. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.